person.
Hello. Hi, and your name?
Hi, I'm Kathy Kinsella, longtime supporter of CAS.
Hi, Kathy.
Hey there.
Hi, and so you've been here since the beginning?
Not quite the beginning, but we've been here for about 6 years.
Oh, pretty close. And what attracted you to CAS?
Well, it's funny, when we moved up to this area, we actually saw a CAS brochure and said we're going there the next weekend. And as soon as we came down here and met some of the animals and saw this wonderful, peaceful, bucolic setting, we just knew it was a very, very special place.
It is a very special place.
Yes, it is. It's a place that heals, it's a place that helps, it's a place that soothes, and that's not just the animals, that's the humans that come and visit and connect with the animals. It's an important place for all of us to have.
Do you have a favorite animal on the farm?
Oh, I don't want to get one jealous from the other.
You can name more than one, you know.
There are so many. There are so many. Of course, I remember Franklin when he was just big enough to fit in the palm of your hand, and now, you know, this massive guy, and good-looking as always. So love him. How can you not love Rambo with everything that Rambo's done to help all the spirits in this place? There are just so many special animals here.
Well, it's so nice meeting you, and I hope we'll see you again soon.
You certainly will.
Okay, take care.